In the world of packaging, strength isn't just measured by tension. It's built on precision, reliability, and trust. Introducing the fully automatic PP box strap making machine engineered by Micro Machinery. Here, at our customer's factory, two powerful lines run side by side, synchronized in motion, steady in performance, and built to deliver excellence hour after hour. What makes this truly extraordinary? These machines are running on 100% recycled PP pellets of the poor raw material, and yet the output speaks for itself. Perfectly formed straps, uniform in texture, consistent in strength, and ready to perform. This is where engineering meets endurance. Our advanced extrusion system ensures stable melt flow and precise temperature control, turning poor quality pellets into premium quality straps. Every stage is designed for continuous and flawless production. With high-speed embossing, intelligent filtration, and automatic tension control, each strap emerges with a smooth finish, bright color, and good tensile strength. The straps come out bright, balanced, and durable. This is not just machinery. This is mastery, a creation that turns the lowest quality raw material into the highest quality result. Because innovation is not about what you start with, it's about what you make from it. At Micro Machinery Manufacture, we build machines that build trust, designed for reliability, crafted for performance, and driven by sustainability. Micro Machinery Manufacture, innovating for a brighter future. Come, let's build that brighter future together.